Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my video. Guys, look, today I'm in a paddy planting field. Some people are works here and here's I find some toys. So, wow guys, look, a beautiful collecting basket, guys. Wow, now I collect toys in this paddy planting field. So let's go. Wow, guys, look here. Whoa, a dump truck, super dump truck, eight-wheeler, guys, mini but eight-wheeler super dump truck. Wow, guys, this is another one, guys. Look, red color microbus, guys. Awesome red color microbus. Just awesome, guys. I clean it here. It's already clean. So, let's go. Wow, guys, beautiful area. Wow, guys, look. Yahoo! A bus, mini tire bus. Just awesome. Mini but high quality toy. It's also clean now. And this is a scooter. Wow, guys. Ladies scooter. Beautiful. Blue, red, black, yellow, so many color. Combination, beautiful scooter. Wow. And guys, wow, guys, look. Look. Wow. I think it's a tank truck. Yes, guys, a tank truck. I think it's Japanese language here. Blue white combination, beautiful high quality material. Beautiful tank truck, guys. Just awesome. Beautiful. I clean it here. Look, it's also clean now. So, wow, guys. Wow. A police cover van. Blue color police cover van. It's six-wheeler, guys. Beautiful six-wheeler police cover van. Wow. This is the drain, paddy field drain. And I clean my toys here. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video, like and subscribe my channel. Wow, guys, whoa, a construction vehicle, guys. Look, yellow and silver mixed construction vehicle. Beautiful, high quality plastic made construction vehicle mixer truck. Oh. Wow, it's easy to clean. And guys, wow, guys, look. Wow. Oh, it's big. Another mixer truck, guys. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Wow. And I clean this vehicle here. Wow. Now it's clean, guys. And I put it in my basket. And a mini airplane. fighter jet, guys. Wow, blue color fighter jet. Yes. Oh, guys, here's a vehicle. I think it's a construction drill. Beautiful drill. Just awesome. Nice color. Wow. Look, guys. Beautiful. Whoa! SUV car, guys. SUV car. Green color. SUV car. It's also clean now. Beautiful SUV police car, guys. Yes, it's a police car. Look like a Pajero car. Look, beautiful color. And yes, wow, a fire truck, fire engine, 8-wheeler, big, guys. Oh, not so much mud in this choice. 8-wheeler, big fire truck. Beautiful. Look like realistic. It's totally realistic toy fire truck. And here's another vehicle. A dump truck, I think. Yes, a dump truck. Beautiful color combination. Wow, just wow. Look, guys, yellow color and orange color mixed. Beautiful dump truck. Wow. And here's a construction vehicle. Beautiful. Wow, guys, look, it's a stepping and drilling, and I think also it works in crane, like a crane. Beautiful construction vehicle, just awesome. And guys, no more vehicles are here, so I think that's all. I got lots of vehicles today, guys. Take a short look. Wow, just look, guys. All of the vehicles are really beautiful and new quality. So that's all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.